So I bought this sleigh bag from $15 from Kmart, and I'm gonna somehow attach it to my mobility scooter. What do you think, Dogs? You think we can do it? Maybe? We'll see. Oh, she's falling. I got you, baby. Oh, you're so cute. You're eating Santa's sleigh. So I stuck it on there. I sewed some Velcro to stick it on, but it's not really staying, so I sewed it together at the back. And we have a little Velcro thing at the front because it's foldable. It has to be able to come off. I think it's alright. The dogs don't care. Front, it looks fairly bare. Hello, people. So I'm thinking of hot gluing some of these fake poinsettias I've got. I had them sticky taped to my walking stick last year, but they just kept falling off, so let's get crafty up in here. So how do you think we went? I think it looks pretty good. What do you think, Pip? What about you, Charlie? I think they like it. I often use my wheelchair too, so thinking of decking it out as well. What do you think, honey? Yeah? What do you think so far, honey? Yeah? So what I'm doing is I'm cutting some thread, making a loop. I'm going to get the end of this sort of holly tinsel thing and just loop it around like that, right? And I'm just tying it to my chair. And there we go. One Christmassy wheelchair, two sleepy dogs, and a no. And oh, excuse this, my own sleigh.